Woodpecker's new heavy-duty multi-knob is not only thicker, stronger, and easier to grip, but it also can be assembled as an insert or stud type knob. No special tools, just a nut and bolt is all it takes. With multi-knob you can install a nut or a bolt in seconds to make the style and size of knob you need. To make the multi-knob into a through-hole knob, insert the appropriate size 1.5-inch full-threaded bolt with a washer into the knob from the bottom and then attach a hex nut. Then pull the bolt from the bottom to seat the nut in the hex nut recess. Hold the knob in your hand with your finger pressed against the bolt. Now tighten the bolt till the nut is fully seated. Then remove the bolt and washer and you're ready to go. To make a studded multi-knob, insert the appropriate size bolt into the top of the multi-knob and through the hole. Attach a washer and nut and tighten till the hex head seats into the recess. Now remove the nut and washer and you're done. Heavy duty? You bet. Most low-cost plastic knobs are molded with the insert right up against the bottom of the knob, making it easy to pull out and is far less durable. The new multi-knob features a molded hex-shaped recess sitting above a 1/4-inch thick reinforced layer. This design makes our knob virtually indestructible and ideal for woodworking jig applications. When you hold the multi-knob in your hand, you'll notice thick rounded corners and easy to grip textured surface. With smoother corners and more knob to grip, makes the multi-knob easier to tighten without the knob digging into your fingers. And with the new Woodpeckers multi-knob, you can use standard full-threaded bolt sizes ranging from 3/4 of an inch up to 6 inches in length. The Woodpeckers multi-knob is available for either 1/4-inch or 3/8-inch fasteners. Knobs are packaged in 4 or 12 packs, and no special hardware is required. Just standard nuts and bolts are all you need. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the new Woodpeckers multi-knob is manufactured in our plant just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.